Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Chili Pot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to make s'mores but not using a campfire. Today I'm sharing an easy s'mores recipe using an air fryer. It's a perfect for midnight cravings or for any parties. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make s'mores in the air fryer. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. There is no change in ingredients, only the roasting technique has been changed. Preheat the air fryer to 400° Fahrenheit for a couple of minutes. I'm using jumbo marshmallows, so I'm cutting them in half. If you are using regular sized marshmallows, just slit in the middle. Place graham crackers half in the bottom of the air fryer basket or tray. Place a marshmallow on top of each graham cracker half. Please make sure to break marshmallows in half and place the sticky side on the graham cracker so the marshmallows don't fly off. It will be the glue, you need to stop them from flying around. Gently press down the marshmallows. Preheating is done. Air fry them at 400° Fahrenheit for a couple of minutes or until your marshmallow starts to crisp up. Depending on your air fryer, your cooking time may be as little as 3 to 4 minutes. Please start checking at the 2-minute mark. Look at these beauties roasting evenly. It's done. Remove carefully. Wow, look at these beautifully roasted marshmallows. Place chocolate bar on top of the marshmallow and place a graham cracker on top. Push down gently. Wow, look at that. Serve these air-fried marshmallows immediately and enjoy it. Enjoy these s'mores at home without even going to camp. My kiddo loved it. Do try this air fryer s'mores. You will love it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.